Welcome back to WNEM TV5 Sounds of the Season.
Enjoy even more holiday selections starting right now.
Presenting the Powers Catholic High School Choir with O Little Town of Bethlehem.
Presenting the Frankenmuth High School Band with Petersburg Sleigh Ride.
Presenting the Fenton High School ambassadors with God Rest You Merry Gentlemen.
God rest you, merry gentlemen, let nothing you dismay. Remember Christ our Savior was born on Christmas Day to save us all from Satan's power when we were gone astray. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy. In Bethlehem in Jewry this blessed babe was born, and laid within a manger upon this blessed morn. The witch's mother Mary did nothing take in scorn. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy. From God our heavenly Father a blessed angel came, and unto certain shepherds brought tidings of the same, how that in Bethlehem was born the Son of God by name. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy.
Don't change that channel.
We'll be right back with more of WNEM TV5's Sounds of the Season after the break.